So what is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. You have installed a custom room on your device and you need some helpful tools in that. I have an app called Custom Room Manager. It has some cool kind of features and I personally use this build for some time. I personally chosen this app from my preferences. Which are the best things about this app? Only one or two things are available in this app, but some great cool kind of things those were. Which are those things and how to use them? Everything in this video I'm gonna share with you. Now make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started quickly. So guys, the app which I'm gonna talk about right now is the Custom Room Manager. As I already told you, the link for this app is in the description. Which are the things you get in this app? First of all, if they discover popular rooms, these are kind of suggestions, but unfortunately this feature does not work. I have tried, but for my device it's not perfectly working. Whenever I open anything from here, as you can see, officially supported no every time on any build. So if I choose like RR is now officially supported, the Pixel Experience is also officially supported, then whenever I choose this, it will open up official site, so I can download if I want to, but official supported no. I don't know why it's showing me like this, but yes, this feature is not working at all. But yes, some other cool features are available. First of all, the feature which I liked about this build is installable zip files. All the zip files which I have on my device, it will list all those zip files which are flashable. Does not matter if you have a zip file, it is flashable or not. And if you want to check it out if it is flashable or not, you can simply choose this option, installable zip files. Then it will tell you that the zip is installable or not. Another cool kind of things is backup and restore. This is one of the cool kind of things, cool kind of features I liked about this app. It will not take backup in the app right now, so whenever I select any partition from here, for example if I choose the boot partition from here right now, I have the option to choose the compression or don't generate MD5, all depends upon me. If I choose the backup option, then it will show me this dialog appear like this. Are you sure you want to reboot into recovery mode and backup the selected partitions? So I can simply take a backup directly by clicking here, then it will boot my device into recovery mode and it will take backup directly. I don't need to do manual actions there like backup and restore and all these kind of things. It is available in an Android app, so this is kind of little bit of helpful feature for you. Other things which I'm gonna talk about is you have all the information regarding that. What is the build ID, Android version, device code name and these kind of things. Also security patch and the number of zip files, how much zip files you have on your device. Like I have 52 zip files which are flashable. Also the size of those flashable files is 12.8 GB, so I can check out how many rooms I have and how many other kind of things. And this is one of the coolest thing available in this app. What is this? If I enable this from here, all the zips which I have on my device, it will just organize them to a single directory if I wanted to. For example, I can choose this directory to this like rooms and files, so every time a zip file is there, it will automatically take that to this folder automatically. I don't need to put manually anything, I don't need to copy or move anything from here. It will automatically put everything into this folder whichever I select, and organize files in subfolders. Also this option is also available. These are very interesting features of this app and I personally like this thing in my device for sure. If you go here, you have the popular selection, installable zip files, folder settings and these kind of things. And here let me show you one more thing. When you go to the stats option, here you have all these options available. I have total of 78.65 GB storage available, and here it has 12.86 gigabytes of zip files. Number of zip file, or I can choose a size of zip file so that it will give me full ideas. What are the things I have? I have the 4 ROMs, 3 GApps files, 1 kernels and 44 other zip files. I can choose check out the sizes also, so it's easy for me to to manage all my storage like this. As you can see, I can check out my 4 GB of ROMs available, 8 GB of other zip files, 674 MB of Google Apps and these kind of things. This is one of the finest feature of this app, and these are some cool kind of features which this app brings you. Custom Room Manager. You can try out this build right now. You can try out this app right now on your device if you want to. I'll put the link in the description for this. Now this is all from today's video. I hope you like it. I hope you like this short and simple review about this Android app, and if you like it, don't forget to like and share this video also. This was all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.